Hi, welcome to this video in which I am going to discuss a particular error which I often come across while marking exam papers or correcting students' notebooks. And the error is, due to this reason, I could not finish my work. Some students would write, because of that reason, I could not do my work. Both are wrong. We will look at what is the correct word, preposition that reason collocates with. So let us have a quick look at all the related words like cause, because of, due to. Now, cause. One basic difference between, they are all, you can say, they are all cousins. Cause, because, due to, reason, they are all cousins. There is one basic or main difference between cause and reason. Reason is sometimes more subjective and local. Cause is more universal and objective. Look at this sentence. What are the causes of the Second World War? You know the meaning of cause. Something that is responsible, something that makes something happen. So what caused the Second World War? And what were the causes of the Second World War? Both have the same meaning. When you say what were the causes of the Second World War, cause is noun. When you say what caused the Second World War, you are using cause as a verb. You can't say what were the reasons behind the Second World War. That is inappropriate. You can say, well, Hitler had no reasons whatsoever to start a war that engulfed the whole globe, whole world. Hitler had no reasons to do this. Where it is personal, subjective. So, one difference, cause, more universal, objective. Reason could be subjective, local. Another difference, cause can be used as both noun and verb. Reason cannot be. Now, I could not attend school yesterday because I was sick. I am using because now, which comes from the Middle English by cause. So this conjunction is made from that, by cause. I could not attend school because I was sick. I can say the same thing. I could not attend school because of sickness. Both have the same meaning. When I use because of, it's a preposition. When I say because I was sick, there it is conjunction. You can also say because I was sick yesterday, comma, I could not attend school. Here, you can also say since I was sick. Meanings are the same. Now, you can also say I could not attend school yesterday due to sickness. Now, my discussion is mainly on reason. So, as I said in the beginning, students writing due to this reason or because of that reason, both are wrong. Remember, the only word or preposition that can be used before reason appropriately is for. And I am going to read straight from the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary. Look at it. For a reason or for some reason, we all have to come in early tomorrow. For a reason, for some reasons. You can also say for certain reasons, we all have to report early tomorrow. For certain reasons. Okay, look at the second. For this reason, it is important to have friends who will support. For this reason, it is important to have friends who will support you. For this reason, not due to this reason or because of this reason. Next, these rules are there for a very good reason. I repeat, these rules are there for a very good reason. Again, you are using preposition for. Next sentence, the man attacked me for no apparent reason. Means there was no reason behind it. You are again using for. The man attacked me for no apparent reason. Next sentence, sometimes I cry for no reason at all. I repeat, sometimes I cry for no reason at all. She resigned, next sentence, she resigned for personal reasons. Again, for. I repeat, she resigned for personal reasons. Next sentence, for obvious reasons, the data is not complete. I repeat, for obvious reasons. Or you can also say for unknown reasons, but for will not change. He wants to keep them all in his office for reasons best known to himself. It is a kind of satirical remark. You can also say for reasons best known to himself, comma, he wants to keep them all in his office. People who, for whatever reason, are unable to support themselves. So, in all these sentences, we see that the only preposition, the only word which should be used before reason is for. So, never make the mistake of using either due to or because of this reason, that reason, because they are almost synonymous. Hope this has been helpful. See you again.